Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, mamaya sa Gadi Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus ang ating mga kagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapong na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So, let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus. So, let's watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information po. Ano kayong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha for the sign of Taurus. So, alamin na natin yan, guys. So, let's watch this. Okay, this is something a death card. So, this is something a transformation. Ending and a new beginning, no? May mga bagay na matatapos na. May mga bagay na magsisimula na, no? At maaari nga may wakas talagang magaganap, no? May pagano, yung hinihintay mong mangyari ay magaganap na. This is something an Ace of Cups mo. This is something a love, a new beginning, and because a new love, no? And because there's something a new offer, or but there's something a higher level commitment, no? Maaari magta-transform lang in your relationship, no? Into a partnership, into a live-in partner or something a marriage, no? This is something a magician for a manifestation. May mga bagay dito na unti-unti mo nang manifest. May mga bagay dito na unti-unti mo na may sakatuparan. May mga bagay dito na unti-unti mo nang mapanghahawakan. The magician represents the power by God. No, this is something a higher fun for a lesson learned. No, may mga bagay dito na kailangan natutunan mo. May mga bagay dito na kailangan mo tutunan mo. May mga bagay dito na kumbaga, dapat mong pakakatandaan, no? May mga bagay na nangyari sa from the past na kailangan bit-bit mo yung aral na yon hanggang ngayon. Let's see additional messages. So, there's the two of swords and indecision. May mga bagay dito na nahihirapan ka mag-decide. No, nahihirapan kang tapusin ko ano yung mga bagay na dapat ay tapusin na. No? Maaring may mga bagay dito na gusto mong gawin. O may mga bagay na nahihirapan kang gawin. So, let's see additional messages. So, this is something a King of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Sinasabi dito, pangalagaan at proteksyonan mo kung ano yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. What is the Death card? The Death card represents what? So, this is something a temperance for a perfect timing. So, this is something a divine intervention, no? Maaari may mga bagay dito na mangyayari na under perfect timing in the divine timing, guys, no? Maaari ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para matapos na yung paghihintay mo. This is something the high phases for something unexpected moment. So, there is something a mystery behind. May mga bagay dito na hindi mo inaakalang makukuha mo. There is something a new beginning coming in for you pagdating sa love life. Na maaaring ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo lubos na maisip na makukuha mo in the near future. Let's see what is the magician. So this is something a Four of Cups, Four of Pentacles, sorry. This is something a Four of Pentacles. By something a saving money, protect your power, protect your energy, re-evaluate or analyze pagdating sa finances. Not just being wise and of course being stricto, ganon. So let's see what is the high friend. Represent the Seven of Cups. So there's something, a confusion. No? May mga bagay na parang naguguluhan ka pa rin. Na kahit na alam mo na yung kasagutan, no? Naguguluhan ka pa rin. Bakit? No? Or it's either hindi mo matanggap or may mga bagay dito na hindi mo lubos maakala. No? May mga bagay na ganito palang makukuha or may mga bagay na ganito palang mangyayari. There's a Ten of Swords with backstab or sabotage, no? May mga bagay dito na maaaring nagbigay ng sabotahe sa'yo. No, there's something at also with an indecision. Sa may mga bagay na nahihirapan ka mag-decide kasi nga niloko ka. Tiraydor ka, no? Maaaring marami sa yung taong nag-betray. So, the King of Pentacles represent the lovers, no? There's something security pagdating sa love life, pangalagaan, protection naman pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig. So, let's see what is the Death card in the Temperance. So, represent the Eight of Pentacles with a focus, no? Being dedicated sa ginagawa mo, kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung dapat mong umpisahan at tapusin, no? So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups because the High Priestess. So, this is something a Wheel of Fortune with a good luck. Now, this is something turning to your favor or something turning to unexpected moment. Now, may mga bagay dito na hindi mo inaadyang mangyayari pero binigay sa iyo ng Panginoon or pinagpala ka ng ating may kapal, no? May mga bagay dito na maaaring, ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon na maaaring swertihin ka na. This is something a Nine of Pentacles, where the Four of Pentacles and the Magician, with the power of God, not being a savings, no? Being a saver, or something, being kuripot, pagiging matipid, may mga bagay dito na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng financial windfall. Maaaring lumakas at lumago ang iyong finances, or either biglang lumaki ang ipon mo. The Hierophant, of course, the Seven of Cups, represent what? The Knight of Pentacles. So, there's something slow and steady, or slowly but surely. Na may mga bagay dito na, kumbaga maaaring naguguluhan ka ngayon. Pero iyahain sa iyo lang po ang may kapal. Yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. The Two of Swords and of course the Ten of Swords. So there's the King of Cups. Now there's the devoted 41st. So na napaka-devoted mo daw. But nagkaroon kasi dito ng parang confusion sa kaisipan niya. Nagkaroon siya ng indecisions, no? Kumbaga parang naduwag or something like that. Na maaring kumbaga may mga tao sa paligid niya na sumulusol or mayroong mga tao sa paligid niya na bumuyo sa kanya, no? Maaring may mga bagay dito na sinabotahi ang inyong relationship, ang iyong partnership, no? Ang iyong finances, no? So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles and because the Lovers. So, there is a represent the black naman. So, see? It's all about black magic, no? May mga bagay dito na maaaring konektado ka with the black magic, with the black naman, no? Talagang connected ka talaga dito na maaaring ginawang ka talaga on the first place, on other half, maaaring dalawa kayo na person mo, no? Kumbaga, kaya kayo, marami mga pinagdadaanan dahil nandun kayo sa stages with a karmic relationship. Additional messages, no? About sa outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you dito is, that's our moment for a major changes, a sudden changes, no? May mga pagbabago magaganap ng mga biglaan na hindi mo inaadya, no? At sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's something a chariot, you need to take an action for this, no? Kailangan mo kumilos, gumalaw, magdesisyon, umpisahan na, no? Na gumalaw, no? Umpisahan ng mag-take ng action. There's something enough for be mature enough and being grounded. Maging mature ka sa mga desisyon or gagawin mong action dahil nasa sayo nakasalalay ang pagbabago ng buhay na mangyayari sa iyo, no? There's something that Six of Wands where a victory is yours. The Page of Cups na listen to your intuition. Kung makikinig ka sa gut feeling and of course intuitions mo, sa inner voice mo rather, na magtatagumpay ka. So let's see additional messages about sa career. So this is something in Eight of Wands for fast communication, fast movement. Na maaari magkaroon ng messages, an email, and travel, guys, na pagdating sa career mo, there's a Page of Swords, get more information. Or either there's a smile looking, watching at you. May sumusubaybay kumukuha ng information. It's either opportunities, no? Basta there's something a travel, a messages, a phone call na matatanggap mo. Maaaring kumukuha itong information sa'yo. Baka bigyan ka ng something promotions, increase for finances, increase for salaries. Now, there's something and some real increasing, no? Maaring may mga bagay dito na maaring madagdag na, no? Maaring sa pagkatao mo, sa finances, and of course, sa resource of income. Additional messages about sa career. So, this is something a Five of Cups. Now, there's something disappointment. May mga bagay dito na panghihinayangan mo pa para nahihirapan ka mag-take ng risk ulit. Now, this is something a Four of Wands that says celebrations. And of course, this is something, kasanayan, na parang may mga bagay dito na parang nakasanayan mo na with the pagkabata mo, no? Parang gano'n. Na mas sinasabi na there's a Four of Wands by a twin flame energy, no? There's something as family gatherings, no? Let's see additional messages about naman sa love life. So this is something in Ace of Pentacles. So this is a big shot or big money, big opportunity coming in for you. With the Four of Swords, no? Kailangan niya magpahinga. This is something intuition, no? Kumbaga konektado ang love life and career mo talaga. Additional messages about sa love, about sa health. Sa health mo naman, guys, There's something the Sun card with a pure positive outcome. Magiging maganda lang yung kalusugan with the Star card, no? The Sun and the Star, nagre-represent ng healing and miracles, no? Maaaring may mga bagay dito na maaaring unti-unti nang magamot. Na unti-unti nang gumaling sa iyong mga karamdaman. No, may mga bagay na matutuklasan mo kung ano talaga yung nagsisibing balakid kung bakit mo nararamdaman na kung ano-ano man yan sa katawan mo. Now, let's see what is additional messages for Money Move Oracle deck. This is the money on career reading, so let's see and watch this. So let's see guys for angels messages for money. So this is spiritual work. So you are the light worker, no? Parang ikaw yung kumbaga head of the family or breadwinner dito. Maaaring ikaw yung nagbibigay kalakasan sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No, there's an open your heart with a spiritual career and heal the human heart. So maaaring kumbaga may mga nangyari sa yung disappointment, rejections, failure from the past na maaaring magkaroon sa iyo ng spiritual awakening or spiritual realizations. And there's just something looking, no? May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na makikita. There's a six and you shall find, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong hanapin para malaman mo yung mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan. And of course, there's something of right ideas. No? Dito papasok ang mga iba-ibang kaisipan or imagination or something ideas na magbibigay sa'yo ng expansion na pagdating sa finances. So, let's see what is the additional messages for Romance Angels for the Mystic Love Oracle deck for Love Life. Ano chika sa iyo ng ating mga gabay for Love Life? And of course, there is something family, security. No? Kumbaga, sinisecure na dito yung family mo. No? You need to be secured with your family. And there's a trouble, guys. Now, the whole clarification na may trouble talaga kayo or trouble ka, no? With your family, rather. There's something good time na with the sex. No? There's something a good time with the sex na maaaring kumbaga malakas ang charisma mo pagdating sa sex or ay na mahilig ka sa sex. No? So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. And because there's something Ace of Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, may kinalaman ka rin sa Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And there's a self-worth na dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung halaga mo. And there's a confusion na may mga bagay dito naguguluhan ka as of now. That because of your illusions, no? Marami kasi tumatakbo sa isipan mo. Now, there's something, parang over-exaggerated, parang gano'n. Over na kung ano iniisip mo. Paranoid, no? So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. So, your wish is granted. So, maaaring matupad yung mga pangarap mo. Maaaring may maisa katuparan na dito. And there's something emotional healing, no? Magkakaroon ka ng healing for emotions. Also for physical. Let's see what is the synchronicities. Synchronicities represent the world, no? Na may mundo talaga eh. There's something the world represent the travel or kumbaga a transaction or travel, guys, no? And there's a journey, talagang may paglayag talaga, may diba, maaaring makakapag-iba bansa ka o mangingiba bansa ka. There's a possible na makakaalis ka. There is an intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, guys. So, let's see what is the angel's answer represent what? For the angel's answer represent what? Romance. So, connected ang about sa love life and career. But there's a remain positive, no? Kailangan mo lang maging positibo sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. The situation will improve, no? Ang sitwasyon mo unti-unti na magbabago. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Represent what? So, let go of fear now. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo ngayon na. And you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka daw. Oh my God. At the same time, it's time to leave the unhealthy situation. At kailangan mo na makawala sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. Let's see what is the energy. Represent what? victory, no? Magkatagumpay ka. There's a man holding your heart. If you were a man, ikaw yung may hawak ng puso niya. Or if you were a woman, siya may hawak ng puso mo. And there's the thinking man. You are also overthinking if you were a man. If you are a woman, may tinitignan ka ng isang ng person mo bilang isang diamond. So let's see what is the Romance Angels. Let go of control issues, no? Alisin mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. Unfold it naturally. And there's a deceptions. Now, there's something false mas, no? Pagdating sa relationship, may mga bagay na hindi totoo dyan. Lalo na yung friends. Marami kasing connected ang relationship about dito sa deceptions. Mag-ingat ka sa mga nagbabalat kayo. Sa impostor. Additional messages. So, there's a vanity. Alisin mo yung mga walang kabuluhang bagay. Bisyo, luho. No? There's something instinct. Kailangan mo makinig sa intuitions mo. And there's an impatience. So, minsan nagiging aggressive ka no? Kailangan mong habaan ng pasensya mo dito. And there's something recovery, no? Makaka-recover ka na as soon as possible. So, let's see what is the Monsology. For Monsology, represent what? A time for healing, no? Unti-unti nga gagaling ang iyong mga karamdaman. Adjustment are required, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-adjust, no? Sa kung ano man yung pinanghahawakan mo. Ano man yung ginagawa mo. No? Mag-adjust ka daw. There is something, don't let your past hold you back. No? Wag mo na raw balik-balikan na nakaraan. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys. And there is a shielding, no? With the obsidian. Na kailangan mo proteksyon ng pangalagaan ng iyong sarili at ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay o yung mga tao sa paligid mo. There's an inner self, no? Kumbaga, palawakin mo ang kaalaman at palawakin mo ang sarili mong kaisipan. There's something teacher and guardian, no? May gumagabay sa'yo dito. There's something guardian. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. With an angel spirit, let's see. And there's an adversity. Now, may mga bagay dito na maaaring matutunan mo. There's a challenges na maaaring may sa katuparan mo. And of course, there's an envy. Now, may mga bagay dito parang sinasabi ng envy dito is something in challenges, no? May mga bagay dito maaaring drama, emote, no? Iwasan mo yung mga ganon, ego. Archangel Raphael messages. Archangel Raphael messages for you. Archangel Raphael messages. And Jesus Divine Healer. No? Nandito ang ating Panginoon, no? Ginagabayan ka talaga at paggagaling ka sa mga karamdaman mo. No? Angel Spirit messages with an Angel Spirit. And spiritual teacher, kailangan mo ng albularyo dito or kailangan mo magagamit at tutulong sa iyo at tuturuan ka, no? Or may mga bagay dito na kailangan mo ng healing, no? There's a trouble, guys. May trouble ka talaga dito. And there's a something artist, no? There's a something drama. Mag-ingat ka sa mga drama, guys. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a karmic relationship, no? There's a something conflict, no? Kumbaga may complication dito or something soul growth, no? May pinanggagalingan talaga dito na nagbibigay, kumbaga, komplikasyon. For Jesus' loving quote said, "Blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it," no? Binibless na yung mga taong naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos. Kaya magdasal, magmuni-muni at pakinggan kung ano mga mensahe sa ng ating mga gabay at ng ating Panginoon, kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin at may isa katuparan. For angels number represent what? 12-12-4, persistence, no? Oh, a happy day. And sample and of course opportunity related to your life purpose in just around the corner. Take immediate actions once it pop up. Of course, a lovely partnership on an epic romance is also in the cards. So see, kumbaga it's a persistent like consistency. No, kailangan maging kumbaga tuloy-tuloy yung nararamdaman mo o tuloy-tuloy yung ginagawa mo, no? Ayusin mo ang yung kaisipan, no? Yung perspective mo. Iwasan mo yung mga bagay na alam mong kailangan mong iwasan. There's something, a new experiences coming in for you. May mga bagay dito na nangyayari na, no? May mga bagay dito na mangyayari na. So let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent what? All that is, no? Today, I notice the love, the powers of of all life. I see that each tiny part of the universe is expression of the love. I am aware of the presence of God in all things. I open myself to this magic. I marvel at the splendor at all that is, on which I am truly a part. So see, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo, maliit man yan o malaki, ay may dahilan at may mga bagay dyan na ibig sabihin at may mga bagay dyan na gustong ipabatid sa'yo na kailangan mong pahalagahan at kailangan mong makinig sa mga mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, may mga bagay dito na kailangan mo maliwanagan at matauhan. So, guys, this is something weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat nakaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip na ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyaya, manubalik sa inyo, at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!